Hi, it's me. I'm going to show you how to create this pocket with a note card. So we start off with a rectangle and then we mark the center of where everything is going to fold back, and then we mark where our glue tabs are going to be. So that was the top and this is the bottom, and we're actually going to just keep the top and slice out that bottom. So now let's draw the angled pocket part of it that's going to fold back. Here are the measurements on the screen, and then when we connect the dots it creates an angle, which we are going to cut out with a craft knife or with some scissors. So boom, there is your angle. And while we're at it, we're going to cut off this part of the glue tab area and angle it like that because I like angled glue tabs. And then we're also going to cut out that angle right there. So when this all folds back, those glue tabs fold back nicely like this. So this area right here kind of bugged me because it stuck out. So I just took a knife and I sliced it off. So now is a good time to decorate the front. And of course I used an embossing folder because I am addicted to embossing. And now I'm going to hold it together with a little bit of a glue stick for now. This is the inside pocket card, which is pretty straightforward to do. I rounded the edges to make it look a little sweeter, and then I also added a little heart to add an extra touch of sweetness. So this pocket is intended to be added into a scrapbook or to be another element in an interactive card.